Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to do Circle to Search in Android. Circle to Search is a feature available on some modern Android devices that lets you search anything on your screen instantly. It removes the need to switch apps or take screenshots just to look up information. It works by letting you circle, tap, or highlight content directly on your display. To begin, unlock your Android phone and make sure your device supports Circle to Search and that is enabled in Settings. Open any app where you see text, images, or objects you want to search. Long press the Home button or navigation bar depending on your phone model. Wait for the Circle to Search interface to appear and the screen will slightly dim, indicating search mode is active. Use your finger to circle the item you want to identify. You can also tap or scribble over the object instead of circling. The system will automatically process your selection and view the search results shown at the bottom or side of the screen. Scroll through the suggested information for more details. Refine your selection by adjusting the highlighted area if needed. Tap any result to open more detailed information in your browser. Exit Circle to Search by swiping away the search panel or returning to your preview screen. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.